It's not at all complicated to use golden circles for your logo design. Right from creating the golden ratio, arranging the circles, tracing them, using the shape builder tool, and finally finishing up the logo with colors. I'm going to teach you everything in a very simple way. I'll also show you a few additional techniques to create wordmark logos using the golden circles. Everything in this one video. Alright, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Firstly, start by creating the golden ratio. In an empty layout, create a perfect square. Create a circle inside the square. Choose both and group it together. Hold Alt and Shift to make a duplicate of it. Place it right next to it. Choose both and rotate it clockwise. Duplicate it and increase the size, covering the both squares we created. To do that, choose the reference point right top on the transform section. Now hold Shift, click and drag to increase the square. Make sure it fits well for the both squares. So zoom in, hold Shift and do it carefully. We have to keep repeating this process. Rotate it anti-clockwise, duplicate it, increase it to fit the previous squares. Once you created 8 squares, you can stop at that point. Now choose all, ungroup it, hold Alt, copy all the circles and keep it aside. Now choose all the circles you copied, go to alignment and do the center alignment. And there you go, we successfully created the golden circles. The next thing is using the sketch to trace it. Since we are just focusing on the golden circles in this video, so I won't be able to show you how to sketch the logo, maybe in another video. Or I wanna suggest you a perfect logo designing class which I took recently to develop my skills. The class is about logo design workflow, like sketching, ideation, and also designing the logo. At the end, getting the final out. Everything is very well briefed. Also, you know what is the best part on taking the class on Skillshare is we will be guided by the industry professionals. Also, we'll be given an assignment when we complete the whole class. We can submit our assignment and get reviewed, correct our mistakes, and develop our skills in graphic design. Also, you can find many other classes on Skillshare: logo design, branding design, packaging design, and lot more. Skillshare is a place where humans come to teach other humans. Do check out the link in the description, or you could scan the QR code shown on the screen. The first 500 people to use my link will get 1 month free trial. Try it out now. I'm pretty sure you're gonna learn an impressive skills to grow as a graphic designer. Designing using golden circles. Drop your sketch inside the project. Select the layer and reduce the opacity and lock it so it doesn't move. Now's the fun part. Let's choose a bigger circle which fits the bottom portion like this. The idea here is we're gonna fit the curves with the circles. As you can see, it fits perfectly for this part. Now let's grab a bit more smaller circle and we can place it here so that we can cover this area. On top, we're gonna create a straight line since no circles will fit over there. Now we're gonna cover the tail. Take the smallest circle which fits the tail, like this one on one side. Duplicate the same circle and place it next to it. So we have covered the top portion. Now to cover this bottom part, let's get a slightly bigger circle and place it. Tail is covered, also the body. Now let's go to this wing part. First, we have to check how many curves are there. 1, 2, and 3. So let's get 3 circles on the same size and place it around this wing. By doing that, we will cover the whole logo sketch with golden circles. Now is the time we use shape builder to create the shape. Make sure to focus in this part. Select all the circles and choose shape builder tool. First, we're gonna remove the shapes inside our design. By holding Alt, we're gonna click on the circles that we won't be needing. Take your time and do this. Do it very carefully. And then let's do the same inside the tail. Okay, when you're doing this, you'll get a problem, which is there will be a single line in few places where when you delete it, the main line which you need will also get deleted. To fix this, we have to choose a tool called scissors. It will be inside the erase tool. Choose the line and just click on the spot where you want to split it, and then it will be separated so that we can keep the main one and get rid of the unwanted one. So when you remove all the unwanted shapes, you'll get this one final shape that we sketched. Now the main important part is when you zoom it, you can see the joins are not connected. Here we're gonna use a tool called join tool. Choose both line and draw a circle. It will be connected. Make sure to do it separately so that while adding the colors it will be easy. First we can connect all the tail joints and then we can connect the body joints, and finally we'll connect this bottom part so that we can add different colors to it. Alright, I just realized we can do this in a more simple way. So when you've chosen all the circles, when you selected shape builder tool, make sure to turn the stroke into fill. Now when we go inside and erase the lines, our shape will be created, which is a much more easier than the previous step which I taught. Adding colors. Now to add colors, as I told you in the previous point, we have to make separate shapes within our logo design. We're gonna add one color for body and the tail, and then for the bottom part we're gonna add a different color, same color for the eyes as well. And that's how you add colors after the design is done. Okay, now we're gonna look at the custom way of using golden circles to create word mark logos. Choose a golden circle and then choose a smaller one, place it in the center, grab another slightly bigger one and then place it on the right bottom. Create a straight line for the base. Now we're gonna create one vertical line between the circles. Duplicate it, paste it next to it, leaving some gap. Now create a horizontal line left to right under the smaller circle. End it to the center of the medium sized circle. Create a vertical line from center to bottom. Now's the fun part. Select all, go to shape builder tool, make sure the fill is selected, click and drag to create a word mark like this. And by using this technique you can create a bunch of word mark letters. For that you need tons of practice. I would suggest take a reference, use golden circles and lines, play around with the placements and you'll start getting better on it. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about golden circles. I'll get more content like these in this channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. You can find the open file in the description and also Skillshare link for the class added. Do check out to develop your skills. I'll see you in another one.